Safety system is important for a car. Nowadays, it is becoming very advanced. In every car, nowadays, it is becoming developed. And in this video, I'll discuss 2023 Lexus ZX safety system. It has a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The system is engineered to help detect a vehicle or a pedestrian in the path of your Lexus under center condition. Should it detect a potential frontal collision, it is designed to automatically prepare brake assist for increased brake force, and in some cases have been automatically braked to help mitigation or avoid collision. And it is a high-speed dynamic radar cruise control. A speed above 30 miles per hour has radar. The camera technology helps the maintain a precise speed and following distances from the vehicle ahead. If you get closer than the preset distance, the throttle is automatically reduced. The brakes may be applied as soon as the road ahead clears. The Lexus returns to its preset speeds. Lane temperature alert. The system utilizes a high-resolution camera to monitor visible lane markings and determine the vehicle position within a lane. If a inadvertent lane temperature is detected at a speed above 32 miles per hour, the system attempts to alert the driver with the visual warning and steering wheel vibrations. Intelligent high beams, providing greater visibility for you and other drivers. Intelligent high beams offer added illumination to help you focus on the road. If the road ahead is clear, the system defaults to high beams mode and temporarily switches to low beams with the detect headlamps or tail lamps of vehicle ahead.